Hello everyone, this is Rushikesh Bankar, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department, NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. Today we will go to learn the home theater system, that is lecture number 4, and the unit number 2 is audio systems. So before start of today's lecture, first of all we will see the learning outcomes. So you will able to learn about the basics of home theater system. Then you will able to know the functions of home theater system, and you will able to know the surround sound formats. So these are the learning outcomes of our today's topics. Now this is the introduction to home theater. So this is the complete home theater system. Okay, this is CD player or DVD player. This is the bass, and these four are the upper, we can say that uppers. So this complete setup is the home theater system. So a home theater is a device that creates theater like effects right at your home. तो होम थिएटर सिस्टम ये एक ऐसा डिवाइस होता है जो थिएटर इफेक्ट्स क्रिएट करता है इन योर होम. Then when we are going to place a home theater, firstly we have to deal with the environment which we want to create for the theater in our home. तो जब हम होम थिएटर फर्स्ट टाइम घर में प्लेस करते हैं तो उसका जो एनवायरनमेंट होता है वो हमें किस टाइप का होना चाहिए वो क्रिएट करना पड़ता है थी इन आवर होम. देन फैमिली इंटरटेनमेंट बिगिंस विद द होम थिएटर सिस्टम. तो फिर ये होम थिएटर सिस्टम फैमिली इंटरटेनमेंट जो हम देखते हैं वो वहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है. Now these are services from Brisbane, Gold Coast and Sunshine Coast, which are highly developed and newly advancement in the field of technology. अब ये टेक्नोलॉजी है. सर्विसेज कहाँ से मिलती है? ब्रिस्बेन, गोल्ड कोस्ट एंड सनशाइन कोस्ट. Then a home theater system is a series of electronic components designed with the purpose to recreate the cinema experience in the comfort of your home. And the difference between the home theater system and a conventional television setup is that the home theater experience has the ability to engross the viewer in the movie. अब जो हमारा कन्वेंशनल टेलीविजन सेटअप है और होम थिएटर सिस्टम, इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है? तो इट एक्सपीरियंस द एबिलिटी टू engross the viewer in the movie. Then the sound is directed from everywhere, which direction and with some setup bass is produced that can be felt throughout your body. तो होम थिएटर सिस्टम में जो साउंड होता है वो ड्यू टू बास इफेक्ट जो है वो मतलब बास का जो इफेक्ट होता है वो अच्छा होता है. Now the functions of home theater. So enhanced experience, then qualitative video experience, then surround sound experience, then LCD, that is the liquid crystal display, LED, that is light emitting diode, plasma, Then HD, that is high definition televisions, will be the normal. So these supply spectators crystal clear pictures that nearly feel like live. Then the different parts of the home theater system. तो होम थिएटर के जो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स है वो देखेंगे। तो उसमें है लार्ज स्क्रीन डिस्प्ले, देन स्पीकर्स, देन डार्क ब्लैक एनवायरनमेंट एंड अ रूम विथ अ लार्ज सरफेस एरिया। तो ये चार पार्ट्स होते हैं होम थिएटर के। नाउ नीड ऑफ होम थिएटर टू बाय एट होम। अब होम थिएटर की क्या नीड है टू बाय एट होम वो देखेंगे। सो सम पीपल मे हैव thought that what is need to buy at home is there are many reasons to buy it, like working people don't have the time to go out for the movie with a family. So it will be a good alternative for those people. Then those who are fond of watching movies on a big screen instead of wasting their time and money for going outside, they can have a home theater at their home. Now the basic components. So DVD or VHS player or other digital cable systems provide the weak video and audio signals. Then amplifiers then boost the signal in order to become usable. And amplified sound signal is then proceed in the receiver to be distributed, usually 5 speakers. And video signal amplified in the television to generate the usual display. So these are the basic components. Now the surround sound formats. So Dolby surround sound, then Dolby Pro Logic, then Dolby Digital, Dolby Digital EX, and the Digital Theater Sound, that is a DTS. So these are the formats of surround sound. तो total 5 format है. So first of all we will see the first format, that is Dolby surround sound. So this Dolby surround sound is also known as the poor man's surround sound. Then the most basic form of surround sound available. Two rear speakers, both playing the same rear channel, are connected to the existing front speakers. So this is the basic form of surround sound. Now the second is Dolby Pro Logic. So the Dolby Pro Logic consists of 5 speakers using 4 separate channels. Then the separate front, that is left or right signals, center, and a common signal, that is mono, supplied to the rear speakers. And a basic setup which provides a rich sound up front and a general noise sensation from the rear. Then next is Dolby Digital, or otherwise it is known as Dolby Digital 5.1. So more separate channels provides a richer sound. Then named 5.1, indicating 5 separate ordinary channels and one effect, that is subwoofer, with a low frequency input signal which provides depth and a rumbling effect during on-screen explosions. तो डॉल्बी डिजिटल को डॉल्बी डिजिटल 5.1 भी बोलते हैं। अभी इसमें जो 5.1 है उसका मतलब क्या होता है कि उसमें 5 इंडिकेट्स द सेपरेट ऑर्डिनरी चैनल्स और 1 इंडिकेट्स द सबवूफर इफेक्ट. The next is Dolby Digital EX. So the format is similar to that of Dolby Digital 5.1, except a sixth speaker is positioned behind the listener. अब ये जो Dolby Digital EX है इसका फॉर्मेट Dolby Digital 5.1 जैसा ही है, सिर्फ उसमें क्या एडिशनल है, a sixth speaker is addition. So similar to the center speaker, this anchors the sound between the left-right channels, and the signal used is extracted from the left and right rear speakers. And this is not a very common format, but predictions are that it will be in the near future. Next is digital theater sound, that is a DTS. So it is commonly found in most modern cinemas. Then the popular action, that is DVDs like the Fast and the Furious are encoded in DTS. अब इसमें जो द फास्ट एंड द फ्यूरियस जो मूवीज है वो एनकोडेड किस में है, DTS में. Then similar to Dolby Digital EX, making use of an additional rear channel, and it has higher data rates for encoding. तो डाटा रेट्स क्या है, 1.5 मेगाबिट पर सेकंड और 754 किलोबाइट पर सेकंड. The 5.1 audio tracks, which is 2 to 4 times the data rate of Dolby Digital. And this is the program outcomes, that is PO mapping. So PO1, PO3, PO6 and PO7 are mapped with today's topics. So thank you.